It's time for Around the Ozarks Wake Up Weather. Here's your host, Abby Dyer.
And a happy Wednesday to you. Thanks for tuning in to Wake Up Weather this morning. I have more great news for you. Wasn't yesterday so nice? How about we do it again? Today we have more sunshine in the forecast though, and temperatures up just a little bit, not 70s for highs, but right at 80 degrees on this Wednesday. 80, sunshine, light winds. They'll be out of the south, but only at about 5 miles an hour. I encourage you to find some time to get outdoors. Today is just going to be so nice. And this is really kind of the last day in this cooler than average run that we've had going on so far this week. I really don't have bad conditions in the forecast for the rest of the week either. However, we are going to see some of the heat creep back into the forecast. That happens especially by the weekend. Today, though, the main message for you is that it's another nice one. It's going to be a fantastic afternoon to get outdoors. I am expecting that we hold on to the sunshine for several days, but near 80 degrees, that's below average for the middle of August. It's starting to feel like school time, isn't it? We kind of have that cool fall chill in the air. Low tonight, only 60 degrees. You've got those nice, kind of cool, crisp mornings. The low relative humidity has been such a game changer, too, compared to last week. The surface map today, it just shows that high pressure is in control. It means sinking air. It's the reason that we have just that nice sunny sky. We're going to hold on to that not only for the rest of the day today, but the middle part of the country is going to stay pretty quiet here for the next few days. What I am watching is that big ridge of high pressure, the heat dome. It's been bringing record heat to the south. It's going to be shifting over the next few days, and that will start to inch its way into our area again. It'll heat us up for the weekend. Not too extreme, mid 90s, but we've been there already. Yes, it comes with some humidity, so heat index values will be back into the triple digits as early as Saturday. I think we hold on to those triple index heat index values through Sunday, and then we stay pretty hot for a stretch of days. In fact, the middle and even end of the month are looking kind of warm for this time of the year. Because of this ridge of high pressure, it also means that rain chances will be minimal. As we look at the extended forecast, you won't see a whole lot of rain heading our way. Definitely none out there today. Actually, this is really good weather if you have a painting project or something that you have to have like dry time before the fall arrives and leaves are blowing all over the place. This would be a great day for that. I expect that as we head into the end of the month, though, I mentioned already, we're going to start to see those temperatures warm up. Well, the extended charts show that a period between like August 22nd and August 28th are likely to see above normal temperatures. The Ozarks expected to see about a 60% chance that we'll have above normal temperatures during that time period. So the 90s are not gone, but enjoy the 80s while they're here. It's going to be 80 degrees in the Ozarks today. I expect that we hold the sunshine today, tomorrow, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, even Monday of next week is looking mostly sunny. I'm keeping rain chances out of this forecast. There are still a few folks, especially out in our northwestern counties, that are seeing some drought conditions. I know you would probably like a little bit of rain in this 7 day. It's just not coming. We have high pressure at the surface, high pressure above, and that makes it really difficult to see the rain chances sneak into the forecast. I do expect, though, we're going to have some nice conditions come to an end. By the weekend, it'll be kind of hot and sticky again. Heat headlines are still making a name for themselves, too, across the southern part of the country. In fact, intense heat and record temperatures for portions of the Northwest in the United States, as well as Texas, they continue not just today, but really all week long. And then as we get closer to the weekend, that ridge of high pressure will shift into the Midwest. We get higher temperatures, and they get a bit of relief. So I am happy for them. As we look at the Atlantic hurricane season, I mentioned it yesterday, it's really off to a slow start. There's a whole lot of dry air. Oftentimes, when you read about the research between hurricanes and El Nino, the season is kind of slow, and that's what we're seeing, at least so far, this Atlantic hurricane season. Typically, though, that peaks next month, but by this time, we've had more activity typically than we've seen so far this year. But it'd be great to have a slow year in the hurricane season, that is for sure. All right, I will show you the brain twister question that I left you with yesterday. This one has to do with Earth's largest living structure. It is even visible from space. And the options that I left you with were A, the Amazon rainforest, B, the Rocky Mountains, or C, the Great Barrier Reef. Lots of folks getting this one correct. If you went C, the Great Barrier Reef, you are correct. It stretches over 1,400 miles over an area of approximately 133,000 square miles, which is just really kind of even hard to fathom. It is the largest coral reef system in the world, located, of course, off the coast of Queen Island, Australia, in the Coral Sea. But this is visible from space, and you can see it on some satellite imagery. Even when just looking from above for some cloud structures, it shows up from space. So, C, the correct answer today. I will leave you with the question for tomorrow morning. Do you know this one? What was Google originally called? Do you think it is A, Googleplex, B, Backrub, C, Goo Goo, or D, Backlink? Don't Google it. That would be ironic. Let me know what you think in the comments. You can do that over on the Around the Ozarks Facebook page. I will see you tomorrow. Enjoy this fantastic day. It is going to be just too nice to miss. Plan some time outdoors today. 80 degrees and sunny. Soak it up. And for more weather all day long, you can check out aroundtheozarks.com. We've got you covered there.